What'd you do? Did you just pull that off?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh mate, this is gonna be fun as fuck.
Okay,
Fucking
hold that,
just
quick.
drop it in there, you twat. Don't, Matt, it's not even in there properly, mate.
Your hand.
That'll go. Fucking hell.
No, mate.
Right, go on.
No, make sure it fits
Right,
in
put
there
it in,
first.
make sure it fits in there.
Right,
No,
yeah.
Matt.
Fit in there, look. That'll go. You just hold it like that. Geez, this one's going to be dangerous. You know,
Yeah,
it's
that
going
was
to spin
fucking
off.
mental, mate. That one's mad, mate.
It's going the wrong way.
That's a good one.
Oh mate, stick it in.
Do this one from your hand.
No,
I'll do this one from my hand.
go on then. You're a crazy fucker, Matt. It's going, mate. We'll save some for tonight.
No, mate.
Save some for tonight. Get the pole. Put one in the pole. Stick one in there. Wait, set one on. Set two up.
Sit two up at the same time. Craig's loving it. You just got to hold the pole. Hold the pole.
Wait,
Yeah,
where's
right.
where's the lighter?
Where is the lighter? Oh, I dropped it. Oh no,
Lighter.
it's gone out.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, what light? Hasn't gone out. Blow it. Blow it.
It's gone, mate.
Yeah, I put it in a muddy puddle. Did you record that one spinning around, Craig?
You're recording still?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this. It's lighter.
Craig's going to shit himself.
Oh no, it's doing it the other night. It's funny as fuck.
Look at you two, can't even fucking swear.
Come on, light a fucking firework.
Come on, fuckers, a rocket propelled grenade, mate.